is mcps class in Israel University, and today is the 26th, not the 30th April, the last day of the April, and we hope that you all are happy and in refreshing mood, but here it is very hot weather in Hyderabad. So let us discuss a very important test which is normally asked in the mcps, fcps, and even PhD level. The question normally is what is Tukeystest and its uses, and if it is important, why it is important. So let us go to the next slide. You can see that the Tukeystest is made of Sidney Siegel and John Tukey. This normally Tukey is the name given to this non-parametric test which may be applied to the data, measured at least on an article scale. We test for the difference in the scale between two groups. Article means you have to put the data in order, higher to lower or lower to higher. The test is used to determine one of two groups of data tends to have more widely dispersed value than the other. So if the data is widely dispersed and you are comparing this test useful. The test was published in 1980 by Sidney Siegel and John Tukey in the Journal of American Statistical Association. In the article, a non-parametric sum of blanks procedure for relative spread in the unpaired sample. So this is the reference. Next, please. So this is how the Tukeystest is applied. Which food do cows prefer? It is compared between different cows, A, B, C, and they have compared these groups, and you can see that how the data is spread and entered into the table, and here you can see that the multiple comparisons are made, and you can also see that the word HSD is also written, which means Tukey's honestly significant difference. So sometimes if it is HSD, then in biostatistics or statistics, this is important. Next, please. Arrange the data from smallest to largest, and each pair is mean, and this is the formula, and then you will see what is K, what is B, what is alpha, what is Q, A, K, B, and N is the number of observations. So N is there, and equal sample size, unequal sample size, so you can have this kind of formula which we will explain more in detail. Next, please. This is application, field of application. Tukeystest is widely used in psychology, agriculture, medicine, education, proving it is versatility in analyzing experimental data. Real-world example applications such as evaluating treatment effect in clinical trials, assessing product performance, and analyzing educational outcomes. Exemplify the Tukeystest practical relevance. Case studies, several case studies in peer-reviewed journal demonstrated effective of that. This is how you can compare different tests and different drugs and different vaccines. Next, please. Tukeystest, also known as Tukey's honestly significant difference test, is a statistical test used in conjunction with ANOVA. ANOVA means analysis of variance to determine which group has a statistically significant difference in their mean. It is multiple comparison procedure that control the overall time 1 error rate when comparing all possible pairs of the group. Next, please. So this is how you can have type 1, type 2, there, and you can see that if the p-value is 0.387, then you will reject the p-value. Next please. Purpose Tukeystest is used after a significant ANOVA result is assumed. First you will apply the ANOVA, then you will test the Tukeystest. How it works: compares all possible pairs of means and determines which difference are greater and the critical value. Next. This is same. You can see that the treatments or groups are there, and they have developed a kind of data. Next. Here you can see this is another summary, and ultimately the critical difference are mentioned here, and significance level. Only one is significant, other groups are not significant. So group 10 is significant, and you can see that 1.8046 is important. Next please. Key features: multiple comparisons and conservative. It is considered a conservative test, meaning it is less likely to find significant difference than some other tests, especially when sample size are unequal. Next. When to use after a different than some other tests, especially when sample size are unequal. Next. When to use after a significant ANOVA results and pinpoint which group means are significantly different. Limitations: which is not the best choice when sample size are unequal. So if the equal sample size are, then it is good, but if they are unequal, it is not best choice. And Tukeystest test is more accurate. This is another version of the Tukeystest. It can be less sensitive to detect differences between groups, especially when sample size are small. So sample size small means the test will not detect the difference. Next. This is another example how you will arrange the data and how you will arrange the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Next please. Yes. So the summary of the key point is include the purpose, methodology, importance of the Tukeystest. The Tukeystest remains a cornerstone for researchers needing to compare means across multiple groups. So when your mean is the comparison parameter, providing indispensable in maintaining statistical integrity. Future direction: as data analysis continues to involve group methodology and enhancement to the Tukeystest may emerge. Providing statistical analysis. Next please. Okay. Thank you. So I think with this you have learned 2 or 3 things. Why it is called Tukeystest. It is named after the inventor, and it is a part of the ANOVA test, and it can compare various groups, and its uses are not only medicine but education, agriculture, research, and even the clinical trials. And in some cases, the some new tests version may come because the data science is evolving. And the common question which normally we will ask is that when Tukeystest is used, option may be after ANOVA, after chi-square, after confidence interval, or after p-value. So correct answer will be after ANOVA we will use the Tukeystest. So Dr. Santosh Kolachi YouTube channel will provide this information, though this is specific for my class, but we are uploading on the YouTube because we want to share our knowledge and experience and my subject development to other colleagues who are either in my country or in any country. I am thankful that you are giving feedback. Please like it, share it, and write your comments how Tukeystest is presented before you in simple words. My team I am thankful to Mr. Wasim, Mr. Rawani, and other colleagues who supported to develop this kind of presentation and video. Thank you very much.